guys, Sunny here. Today we're going to be playing the airplane story in Roblox. Don't ask me if I have the same account as Rainbow Boys, if you can see on his channel. It's because he allowed me to borrow it. I live with him. Actually, Rainbow Boy's my dad, so yeah. Okay, let's play. Biscuits? You got any biscuits? Why am I sitting on top of somebody? It's raining tacos. I'm out of this game. Tacos. No need to act like. Open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos. Raining tacos. Out of the street. Tacos. All you can eat. Ladies and gentlemen. Cheesy meat. Oh, the game started. Okay, why did I get scared? Okay, hey, Daddy, say hi. Hi, I am Rainbow Boy. So, yeah. Okay, now give me my homework. Hey, oh yeah, I forgot I'm playing the game. Okay, G5, Go. G5. Okay, G5, okay. Yay, I made it. Everything's part of the airplane. Look at my new chain. This is my new chain. It is so cute. Beep, beep, beep. Rice. Beep, beep, chicken. Rice. Beep. Rice. Now please find your seat, as we are about to cross an era of high turbulence. I'm sorry guys, I wasn't reading. I was too important in the songs. Now let me get back to saying peace. Peace. Nice. Peace. Oh my god, what's happening? Oh my god, bro. Okay. Thank you for your cooperation. No, you're not welcome, sir. You're welcome. Oh, sure. Just don't pull down my zipper. Just kidding. I'm not scary on this channel. You might be. And guys, there'll be another Zenny's adventure soon. I just didn't really want to post lately, but now I am. Hello everyone, we are the new crew members. We will be delivering delicious sandwiches. Enjoy. Oh wow, thank you. Do you always have some tacos or something? Or at least some biscuits or waffles? I don't know, anything at least. I don't want a sandwich, but thank you. Wait. No, only sandwiches. Oh, well, I guess I gotta eat anyways. I'm not feeling very well. Why, what happened? Wait, this sandwich has mayo? I'm allergic to mayo. Oh no! I'm about to die. Oh no! Quickly! We need to find Janty_66 bandage for medication. Look in the baggage storage above you. Oh no! Guys! I might die! No! Where is it? Hey, is this real? Oh my god! I'm gonna die! Where's my medication? Yes, there it is! I Close one. Good afternoon to all the passengers. I inform you more down it would be a good time to sit back, take a nap, and enjoy the ride. Good night, passengers. Remember to stretch your legs. We still have a few hours to go. Now be quiet. I'm trying to sleep. Oh my god! Oh my god! It appears that we've lost energy. Hang on, as we fix it. We try. Wait, they're gonna try? You can't fix it. You can't fix it. Is it the end of the world? Guys, what is that on? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Wait, is he inside the plane or outside the plane? Yo. Ew. No. He survived. Wait, what the heck? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Are those snakes? No! 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 Oh yeah, if I'm sitting on here, I'm good. Wait, where are even the snakes? There's no snakes here. There's no snakes here. Where's snakes? There's no snakes. There's no snakes here. I don't see any snakes. Guys, there's a restroom. Quickly. We'll be safe there. Restroom. I can't get in the restroom. I can't get in the restroom. Oh no, guys. You hear me tapping on it? Okay, well guys, this is the end of the experience. I hope you like it. We'll try again later today. I'll meet you. Wait, what time is it? Probably like 11 something. I'll meet you at 5. Bye.